buddy. Hey, we have a phenomenal 1v1 today. Phenomenal. We got Hoodie Kel versus Rob. Rob is new on the scene. Kel's a little bit less new. You guys have seen him against Scoob. You guys have seen him in like some intense environments. He brings the intensity every time. Rob, on the other hand, haven't seen him a whole lot, but he is an absolute bucket. His handle is crazy. He can shoot the piss out of the ball. He set records for scoring and all kinds of stuff. This is going to be a great 1v1, and I think I'm still massive on the screen. All right, here we go. I don't know. This is one of the most even 1v1s that I've watched on this channel. It's going to be like a 1-point difference in my opinion. I don't know. It could go either way. I really can't even pick, but it's going to be a great one. Let's tap in. Let's watch some great hoops right here. He's pulling. Hey, Rob's tough. Rob's tough. Kel's gonna make it chippy though. Watch. He's gonna make it chippy. That's good defense. I think he fouled him though. Okay, here we go. This is one of those ones. Yesterday's ones was kind of a domination. This is gonna be a good one, bro. Ooh. You call it? Call it, Rob? No call, respect. They're so similar, bro. Rip through right. That's quick. One thing about Rob, too, he kind of shoots standing straight up. Like, he doesn't need to get down into his shot. So he can literally just pull it on you out of the triple threat standing straight up. Dang, that's good D. Got to get those legs going a little bit. Got to get the legs going a little bit. Hey, I'm telling you, when Kel gets chippy, he'll go on his run. He'll go on his run. Oh, man. He closed that disc. Oh, my gosh. I feel like he slowed down too much at the end. He just had him at his mercy when he pulled back. Nice. He called it. Respect. Dang, he's guarding right now, bro. Good shot. He needed that. He needed one. He needed to see one drop. Let me find out Rob has great defense. Good shot, Kel. He can shoot it. Okay. Good move. She's pissed. Ooh. Rob ate that bump. Rob chewed up that bump right there. That was tough. Triple move. Oh my gosh, bro. These guys are just like so similar. See? Standing straight up. Watch his knees when he shoots. He doesn't even bend them. Woo! He's chilling. He's composed. Woo! Yo! This one's hype. I was about to get up. I swear I was about to get up. Good. That was a good shot. That was a good shot. Nice little move. Yeah, Kel's pressing up now. He's not gonna allow another one of those twos, bro. He can't. That's good D. That's good. Oh, he pushed him. He was there. He didn't have to push there. That's a foul, Kel. You tripping.
Big guard, you see what the fuck on his shirt? You see what the fuck on his shirt?
He didn't call. Rob's playing for respect right now. Otherwise, he would have took that call. Ooh. Good shot. These guys are both underrated defenders, too. In my opinion, they can both guard. They're strong, low center of gravity. They're guarding. Like, outside of shooting a two, I don't think anybody's really going to be able to put it on the floor and get separation that much. And this isn't as physical as a lot of one-on-ones. What a hezzy. Good move, Rob. They're not just blatantly fouling either. Like, you know, some of the 1v1s that we watch, it's just blatant, like, pushing. And you guys have seen it, right? There's bumps here, but it's a lot of just guarding. There's going to be some fouls, but 9-4 Rob. Kel's resilient. I think he's got to come back in.
He making me work, you know what I'm saying? But the shot falling a little bit. I ain't really hitting like I usually do right now, but I'm going to get it going in the second half right now.
From what we've seen, you're hitting. I think it caught Kel off guard. The way he shot the ball. The way Rob shoots it.
And not let him pivot and get his shot up, because right now that's what he's killing him with. I think once he does that, he has to make some adjustments, and once he sees a shot going, I think it'll be a close game. It's not. This ain't no separate.
I agree.
It's a game of runs.
All your best mans out here. Who your best man? Kill him. Stop talking about it. I got a 100. I got a 100. Where you running from? Nobody running. You got 100? Yes. All right, cool. What are you talking about?
It's okay, Tay. Nah, they're tripping.
Tell him man, put his sneakers on there. Tell us put his sneakers on.
You can't count out Tay against anybody. All right, Kel needs to stop right here. Oh my gosh, that pivot foot moved a lot. He's almost at the volleyball line. The hand on that shoulder. It's right on that right shoulder. His release is so fast, you have to almost... Kel is so stressed out about him just not... His release is quick. He's going to get a shot off. All you can really do is get a hand there. But Kel's going to get in his landing space a lot because he's closing out so hard because Rob's release is so quick. That's tough. Another hezzy. I think that's going to be Rob's game the remainder of this game. I don't think he's getting another clean 2 up. I think he's going to have to earn them. Kel is very aggressive. Woo! All right, here we go. He needs to see one go in here. That's deep. Oh, that hurts. That hurts, bro. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. I was going to say, he's back. It's weird, that possession, Kel played a little bit farther off than he has been. And now he's going to be back up. Now Rob's going to have to go get a 1, but he fell asleep on that possession. You can't let him get a shot up from 3. Stand still. That's good defense. I want to see Kel come back and make this a game. Tough, tough. Needed that. All right. All right. Somebody's going to just catch and shoot off the checkup. Nice. Bro, the low key, like right there, that one of those. Ooh. That's, oh my, what a finish, bro. Way to play through that. Woo, way to play through that. I'm just laughing at the pivot going back farther every time.
Right here. You're right. You're right.
6 points, that's within striking distance. Good finish. Quick 2 off the checkup. Nope. Oh, yeah? Yep, big shot. Big shot. And ones after guys come off of something to the basket off the checkup, they like to shoot it. Woo! Oh. 3-point game. He gets a bucket here, they're going to go crazy. What happened? Why is it so quiet? Why is it so quiet? That hezzy was tough. Oh, because I got you. He's playing for Rob's playing for North Carolina. Oh, he called it.
He called it, nigga. Fuck out of here. What are you talking about? He called it. His ball, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Yo, no way.
don't got no timeouts.
Nobody played timeout.
It's me. For me, you want timeout or not? Damn, they agreed to it. That's cool.
That shit ain't over now. They thought that shit was sweet. That shit ain't over. My dog's a fighter, dog. He a dog. Nigga, he a dog.
It's a dog fight, bro. I always say long game, it's not over to the fat lady sing.
Facts. I've seen Moon come back several times. Bro, Moon came back on me.
Hey, watch out, though.
Yeah. Kel's not gonna. I knew Kel wasn't gonna go away easy though.
Shot clock,
Oh.
No, he just went into foul. Like he knew he was there, so he went and foul, and then he just. Bro, that's not a foul, bro. It's like, bro, this is supposed to be a dog fight, not supposed to be foul. Like the hard ones, I understand. You feel me? But like these tough ones, like, come on, we gotta play through that, bro.
Oh, they shot for ball. Okay, so not a point. Oh.
Give me one at a time. One at a time.
Kel's got momentum here. Ah, 3. Oh, he might call that too. Nope, he didn't call it. I don't think it was a foul, but it could have been. Rob's out of the volleyball line. He's going to the rack here. He's got to. He's way out there. That's a lot of space. Yep. Oh! Oh my God. The English off the glass. That was beautiful. This is a tough matchup. This is a high quality game right here. Because they're not just hacking either. They're fouling, there's fouls and stuff, but they're not just hacking. Like, there's a lot of skill involved in this. They're just playing hard as heck, bro. That's deep. Wow, bro. From the volleyball line. That's how they get it. That's how Rob got it done. Wow. Hey, that might have been. Yeah. That was the best ones we've watched in a few videos. That was a very even matchup. Both of these guys are really tough, bro. I actually I'm very impressed. That was a great game. All right, man. Hey, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.